Hello guys, the Legal Chronicle welcomes you to their 15-day workshop where we will teach you how to write legal articles, legal essays and research papers. Now, this is not going to be a classroom lecture. Instead, this is going to be an interactive session where we will help you decide your area of interest, the title of your research paper, the abstract, the introduction, the body, the conclusion and the citation. Guys, we do understand your concern that a lot of you do not have access to Manupatra, JSTOR, LexisNexis, and in this 15-day workshop, we are going to provide you with alternative resources to write your paper. Our media partner Kachahari has also offered to give a 40% discount on the publication of your research papers in their nationwide journal. So, did this opportunity just extend from being a training course to an opportunity to get your papers published? Absolutely yes. Additionally, we are also giving a 10% discount on all the certificate courses by Catalog Edu LLP, which is a law firm by the founder of Kachahari himself. The Legal Chronicle will also provide you with original ebooks in the EPUB version of 10 Judgments That Change India by Zia Modi. Now let me tell you, these are not easily accessible to everyone. But why are we helping you? Because we here at the Legal Chronicle believe in helping students, that's why. If you want any additional information on the workshop, please do not hesitate to DM us on any of our social media platforms and find the link in the bio. Thank you.